FarmChem Standard Cubetainer oil stacker tanks are the perfect choice to store your John Deere bulk oil products in your shop. Cubetainers will help your service techs organize their shop's work environment by eliminating the challenges that come with using 5-gallon pails and 55-gallon drums. Each individual tank is designed with a 36-inch by 36-inch footprint, allowing tanks to securely stack onto one another. The Standard Cubetainer stacker system provides safe and efficient storage for bulk oils. These stackable oil storage tanks come in 5 different sizes: 60, 80, 120, 180, and 260 gallons. All Cubetainers are made with high-density polyethylene with brass inserts standard, though stainless steel inserts are also available. Some of the most popular gravity feed setups are the 120-120 and 180-180 gallon systems. Each Cubetainer gravity feed kit comes complete with tanks, a steel stand, drip tray kit, tank accessory package for gravity feeding, and stainless steel spring release valves. You can mix and match additional tanks to reach your desired storage arrangement up to a maximum of 360 gallons. Gravity feed setups are also available for purchase through JD Point. Each setup comes complete with tanks, a stand, a drip tray kit, tank accessory package for gravity feeding, and stainless steel spring release valves. Our Apex side mount pumping kits are an excellent addition for the Cubetainer system. These attach to the side of the Cubetainer. They come complete with an Apex pneumatic pump, a dispense meter, and 50 foot of hose reel, allowing your shop to deliver oil products to the equipment almost anywhere in the shop. Side mount kits are great add-ons for your shop techs to help them improve their efficiency. Our Apex side mount pumping kits are also available on JD Point. 2 different side mount kits are available, both coming with a 50 foot hose reel, 3-to-1 pneumatic pump, and either a digital manual meter or digital preset meter. Slimtainers are the ideal selection when space is limited, while still offering the same benefits of the standard Cubetainers. These 120-gallon tanks are slender 23 inches wide and 54 inches long. Slimtainers have dispensing outlets on both the front and side of the tank, providing versatility. There is also an optional 110% containment kit add-on. These systems come complete with stand, gravity feed accessories, stainless steel release valves, and a drip tray kit. FarmChem carries all the equipment you need to use on your Cubetainer setups. We have you covered with stainless steel spring release valves, stands, containment options, and other accessories. With the full lineup of Cubetainer accessory equipment, you won't need to look any further to keep the oil flowing. Making the investment into a stackable Cubetainer oil storage system for your shop can help your service shop be more efficient, saving you time and money. Make FarmChem your one-stop shop for all your oil equipment needs, and let us help you grow your bulk oil business. Order Cubetainers and other equipment on JDDef.com, JD Point, or by calling our FarmChem John Deere line at 855-453-4333. For more information, you can visit our Dealer Resource Center in the Bulk Expo Oil booth and download additional material.